Hello boys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good morning. I hope you will be fine, inshallah. Today I have a topic about again money. First we finish this topic in our learner book, and today this is in Skill Builder, page number 59. Okay, and this is about money that we use every day in our daily life. When we buy something, then we use this currency. We also use currency of different country have different currency. Okay, now this is currency that we use in Saudi Arabia, Saudi Riyal, and it has different some money we use as a coin that is less value, and when you buy the higher thing, for example 50 100, then we use these notes. Okay, now look here, this is 25 halal, and this is 50 halal, and this is 1 riyal, 100 halal, and this is 2 riyal. These are four coins that we mostly use, and also the coin are less than this, 10 halala and 5 halala, but this mostly we use now. And this is 1 real, and this also 1 real, this too 1 real, but this is in the form of coin, and this is in form of paper money. We speak this note or paper money, and this we speak money, but it is coins. And this is 1 real as note or paper money, this is 5 real, this is 10 real, this is 50 real, this is 100 real, and this is 500 real. And today we equivalent the money. For example, 5 real or 1 real, how many equal to how many coins, which kind of coins, like this. Okay, now let we start. We use this is the basic money, and then we make some equivalent, one money equivalent to another. For example, this is 50 halala, when this is 25 halala. When we use this two coin, it is equal to 50 halal. We make this way. Okay, now after this is 1 real, and when we use these four coins of 25 halalas, it is equal to 1 real. Or we use this two coin of 50 halalas, it is equal to 1 real. Today our topic is this. Okay, we make equivalence of different money use that we equal to another paper money. Look here, this is 5 real now, this is 1 real, and we use here 1 2 3 4 5, and this one coin equal to 1 real, and 5 real equals to this paper money equal to 5 real. These two equal each other. And here not only this that this I show you, maybe you another also. For example, you use this paper money, this is 1 real paper money, you have 5 1 real equal to note of 5 real, also you can use this. It doesn't matter, only this is only I give you one example. And here this is coin of 2 real, and this is coin of 2 real. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, equal to 5 real. And here this, instead of this coin you can use this real, doesn't matter, you can, it's okay. Next money is 10 real. Now this is, for example, 2 real plus 2 real, 4 plus 4, here 1 5, and then 5 plus 5 10, this is equal to 10 real. Here if you want to write here equal, you can, This is equal to 10 real. Here you can write equal, no problem. This is equal to 10 real. And next, also you can use like this. For example, this is 1 real. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, 10. This is also equal to 10 real. Here you can write it is equal to 10 real. Okay, boys, understand this only. And here we make this is 50 real. How we can make this 50 equal? For example, here 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. These are equal. These all notes, when we plus, this is equal to one note of 50 real. Okay. And then another option, then we can use for 50 real. We don't use 5 real. We don't have 5 real. We have only 10 real. Then we use here, look here, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50. Okay, this is 10 real. You can use this. Now after 50 real we have 100 real. Now here you can use like this. This is 100 real, and here this is 50 real. And 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 10, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. This is equal to this one note only. Here, this all notes we plus, this is equal to this one note, that is 100. And also we can use like this. For example, we make 100, and you can use like this. For example, 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. And 50 plus 50, 100. You can use also this. This is 100 real. And also you can use here 250, 50. Two note of this 50, this also 100. You also can use like this. I give you here examples only. Okay, if you have another note, you can use, and you can make this is equal to 100. Here, for example, this is 500. Okay, and here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, but it is 400. We make here 500. How can we make this 500? This we can, we take 100 from here and we put here, then this become 500. Understand? Okay, boys, look here. This is 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Okay, this is equal to 500. And here, when you come here, then look here. Here you can use this 50 plus 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, you can use these note also. For example, this 1, 2, 3, 4, this 400, 450, and 500. And this is equal to one note of, that is 500. This is our you can say biggest note in our currency in real. This is 500. Okay, you can use this arrangement. If you, I say you, this is, I give you example of each note have two example. But if you have another kind of note, then you can use, but it should be equal to the big note, not greater, not less. This you revise again. Okay, today this is our topic about money, and this is our basic money. This is basic money. We use different kinds of note to make equal to each other. Okay, boys. See you later, inshallah. And you revise this again. And if you have any question, you send me. No problem. Okay, boys. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.